Welcome to the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards 2022. We are proud to unfurl the 8th edition of the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards, which are a joint endeavor of Delhi-NCR and Power2SME to bring forth the best that Make in India has to offer. Conceived in 2014, the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards are dedicated to encouraging and applauding innovation in the manufacturing sector. As companies that work to alleviate the operations of small businesses, both Power2SME and Delhi-NCR designed a platform that seeks to recognize the big change made by small businesses and to provide a platform for them to shine. The award invites nominations from startups and entrepreneurs which have completed less than 10 years of existence. They are required to highlight the innovation which drives the USP for their organization. The applications then undergo 2 rounds of robust evaluation, leading to the declaration of the finalists. The final round takes place before a jury, comprising business experts and industry veterans who will assess all aspects of the startups and SMEs and declare the winners in each category. The jury for this year are Mr. R. Narayan, founder and CEO Power2SME and President FICCI CMSME. Ms. Jyoti Vij, the Deputy Secretary General of FICCI. Mr. Snehashish Bhattacharjee, the Global CEO at Denave, and Mr. Sahil Dharia, the Chief Executive Officer and Founder, Sood Healthcare. Joining us here are also Ms. Sudha Sari, the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Communications at Power2SME, and Ms. Geetika Dayal, the Executive Director of Delhi-NCR. Thank you so much for joining us here today. May I please call upon Mr. R. Narayan to kindly deliver the keynote address.
A very good evening to everyone and a warm welcome to the award ceremony of the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards. This is the 8th year of the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards, a concept that took form from a shared aspiration to bring forth the unique success stories that emerge from the backbone of the Indian economy, that is the Indian MSME. Manufacturing has been the lifeblood of every successful economy across the globe. The Make in India initiative that aims to make India a manufacturing powerhouse, therefore fosters innovation and entrepreneurship. The Spirit of Manufacturing Awards resonates with the Make in India award and was conceptualized with an aim to recognize excellence and reward innovators, entrepreneurs, and enablers who have played an indispensable role in boosting the manufacturing terrain. Our core objective is to give all promising manufacturing startups and SMEs the right ecosystem, distinguishability, and mentorship so that they're able to ride the wave of success and shape the future of India's manufacturing as the true custodians of the Make in India legacy. The award proved to be an extremely enriching experience, both for the winners and for us, the organizers. The entries have just gone richer year on year, both in number and in quality, making the job tougher each subsequent year for the jury panel. We are delighted to see the game-changing innovations that come our way, and it was very difficult to make the choice among them. Some of our alumni include startups like Satvico, Heads Up for Tails, Sirona Hygiene, and of course Sood Healthcare, and we are elated to watch them grow by leaps and bounds. We couldn't have pulled this off without the help of our esteemed jury members, namely Jyoti Vij, Deputy Secretary General FICCI, Snehashish Bhattacharjee, Global CEO Denave, and it's been our pleasure to welcome a Spirit of Manufacturing Award winner from Season 1, Sahil Dharia, founder and CEO Sood Healthcare. I take this opportunity to heartily thank each one of my jury members for their participation and their enthusiasm in the event. We sincerely appreciate the work you have done and you have undertaken to provide us with this year's Spirit of Manufacturing Award winners. I take this opportunity to also express my gratitude to Delhi-NCR and Ms. Geetika Dayal for partnering with us year after year, and working together to unearth fresh talent in the manufacturing sector. We hope to continue our good work together. I would like to congratulate all of you who have been selected for this prestigious award. We are happy to have you here with us today, and thank you for being a part of the event. The big moment is just a few minutes away, and I want to say is this: even if you don't get an award, you still walk away a winner. I wish you all the very best. Thank you.
And now coming to the moment that we've all been waiting for, the award ceremony. The finalists for Spirit of Manufacturing Award for Social Impact for the year 2022 are Watson Envirotech Private Limited, Torchid Electronics Private Limited, Gen Robotic Innovations Private Limited, and Unico Green Earth Private Limited. I call upon Mr. Snehashish Bhattacharjee to announce the winner for the award for social impact.
We spent 2 wonderful days looking at some exceptional entries. The sheer quality of the entries is making the jury's job tougher year on year. While commerce is wonderful for the growth of the economy, we've seen that it's commerce with a conscience that has the healing touch of enabling holistic development in society. From clean drinking water solutions to alternatives for manual scavenging, from climate positive products to empowerment of people with disabilities using technology, the experience of hearing out these pitches was truly an enlightening one for the jury. Before announcing the winner, I would like to congratulate all the finalists for the great work each one of them are doing. And now I'm pleased to announce that the Spirit of Manufacturing Award for Social Impact 2022 goes to Hani Bhakchandani of Torchit Electronics. Congratulations once again.
The finalists of Spirit of Manufacturing Awards for IT Adoption and Innovation 2022 are Sascan Meditech Private Limited, Tranquility IoT and Big Data Solutions Private Limited, Safe Automation Services LLP, and SenseGaze Technologies Private Limited. I call upon Mr. Sahil Dharia to announce the winner for the award for IT adoption and innovation.
From being a winner in the first season of the awards to being a jury member in the 8th season, life has truly come a full circle for me. It's an honor and privilege for me to relive the experience from the other side. IT today has become the lifeblood of manufacturing, leveraging a fantastic combination of automation, AI, Industry 4.0, and machine learning. Manufacturing innovations today are nothing short of the greatest sci-fi fantasies. Driving IT adoption is a key priority for enhancing the country's competitiveness and productivity. The Spirit of Manufacturing Award for IT Adoption and Innovation 2022 goes to Rahul of SenseGaze Technologies. Congratulations.
The finalists for Spirit of Manufacturing Award for Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2022 are IBA Crafts Private Limited, Punktech India Private Limited, Ubifly Technologies Private Limited, and Cellprop Private Limited. I would like to call upon Ms. Jyoti Vij to kindly announce the award for Young Entrepreneur of the Year.
We've spent absolutely 2 wonderful days at the Spirit of Manufacturing Season 8, reviewing some incredible entries. And of course, the Young Entrepreneur Awards, really took the breath out of all of us. There were such brilliant ideas which were presented, at this occasion. The Make in India initiative has stimulated a keen desire in India's youth to revolutionize its industrial topography. And this came out very clearly in the 2 days that we spent, doing the jury round. And this category, though youngest in age, has ranked highest in terms of enthusiasm and an indomitable zest to innovate manufacturing in India. Each idea presented before us was nothing short of brilliant, and it was extremely difficult to make a choice. After much consideration, I'm pleased to announce that the Spirit of Manufacturing Award for the Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2022 goes to Nitin Kapoor of IBA Crafts Private Limited. Congratulations, Nitin, and I'm sure you will do exceedingly well going forward and do proud to your country.
The finalists of Spirit of Manufacturing Award for Woman Entrepreneur of the Year 2022 are Sathi Eco Innovations India Private Limited, Terralumen Solutions Private Limited, Sprout Life Foods Private Limited, and AI Genics International Private Limited. I would like to call upon Ms. Jyoti Vij again to kindly announce the award for Woman Entrepreneur of the Year.
After attending this season, there is no doubt that women entrepreneurs are trailblazing the economic growth of the country. And I'm very delighted to witness the gradual attainment of gender balance in Indian manufacturing today. And I'm very excited at the prospects that this sector has to offer to women entrepreneurs, breaking all the barriers. They have broken the glass ceiling and they have managed to become successful entrepreneurs. And that's what we saw in the entries that came to us. And the Spirit of the Manufacturing Award for the Women Entrepreneur of the Year, while we just need to give one award. So that goes to Suhasini Sampath of Yoga Bars. And many congratulations, Suhasini. Keep growing your business, and you're doing exceedingly well, and proud to the country as well. But I'm sure even the other women entrepreneurs did exceedingly well, and it was not an easy decision, but the award had to go to one. So therefore, one award for this year. But all the best to all those who had put in the entry and shared their business model with us. We were very excited to see the enthusiasm in each one of them. So many congratulations to the winners of the award. Thank you so much.
I now request Mr. R. Narayan to kindly announce the award for Jury's Choice, an award that is given to a startup that deserves special recognition and a special mention from the jury.
We've had 2 incredibly grueling days, but enriching days, where we were amazed at the sense of innovation, the maturity of thought, and the ability to execute the idea on the ground. I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate all 4 winners in each category announced by Ms. Jyoti, Mr. Sneshish, and Mr. Salim. We do keep a special mention in place for the Jury's Choice Award, and I'm pleased to avoid the Spirit of Manufacturing Jury's Choice Award goes to Riya Rastogi of Punk Tech. Thank you.
I'd like to thank the jury for presenting the awards, and I'd now like to call upon Ms. Sudha Sareen, Senior Vice President, Marketing and Communications at Power2SME, to kindly say a few words.
What a fabulous end to the Season 8 of Spirit of Manufacturing Awards. Good evening, participants, finalists, audience, jury, organizing team of TIE and Power2SME, and the winners. The last 2 days of the jury round were filled with enthusiasm and vigor. An immensely enriching process. It has left all of us effectively richer for the experience. We've announced our winners, and they richly deserve their win. However, I'd like to call out all the finalists for their effort and participation. The entries were absolutely fabulous, and it was a tough task to decide on the winners. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish all our applicants, finalists, and winners the very best in their journey ahead. We've been hosting these awards for 8 years now, and the sheer quality of entry year on year has left us actually quite awestruck. Even during the 3 years of COVID, the quality of the entries only went up, and that is extremely heartening. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our jury, each one an exceptional and well-recognized leader who spent hours zealously and left absolutely no stones unturned to scrutinize each and every entry in the jury round, sitting through long hours and yet retaining fresh thought, enthusiasm for each presentation is no easy task, and I thank them for all of that. And finally, our partners in work and play, TIE Delhi, thank you so much for being absolutely wonderfully supportive over the 8 years and actually partnering with us in this journey of Spirit of Manufacturing. Thank you, Gitika, and her fantastic team, Abhishek and Meenal. I'd also like to take this time to thank the team of Power2SME, R. Narayan, our CEO founder, who's been a huge support to us over the years, right from conceptualization stage to today. Thank you so much for that. I'd also like to thank my organizing team, Zumair, Sodamini, and Shivani. We couldn't have done this without you. Thank you so much. Enjoy your evening, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite Ms. Geetika Dayal, Executive Director, TIE Delhi-NCR, to address the event.
The Spirit of Manufacturing Awards, now in its 8th season, was set to put a spotlight on the innovative ventures in the manufacturing domain. It's heartening to see startups utilize this opportunity and dedicate themselves to Make in India. We are really glad to discover and hone such young businesses in India through our continued partnership with Power2SME. Every year, we have witnessed the quality of applications going up. This platform has evolved over the years, making this initiative stronger and a force to reckon with. At Delhi-NCR, we deeply appreciate the seminal role that our partner Power2SME has played in anchoring this movement towards a self-reliant country. And we hope to many more successful seasons coming up in future. Our very best wishes to all the startups who participated in this particular initiative.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we formally conclude the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards 2022. Many congratulations to all the participants and winners. We look forward to seeing you next year with renewed vigor and enthusiasm to Make in India. Thank you.